how to print and assemble your PDF pattern with confidence and ease. Let's get started. Open your PDF document. You will start by printing your calibration test page, page number 1. To do this, select File Print or click on the print icon and a dialog box will appear. To complete the prompt, select Current Page for page 1. Then select Actual Size and print. Once your calibration test page is printed, measure the test square with a ruler to ensure it is printing the pattern to scale. The square should measure at 4 inches in both length and width. If the rulers do not match, set your print settings to 100% or actual and retry. To print the remaining pages, open the print dialog box. This time, select Pages, change the page range to start with number 2, and then hit Tab to reflect the adjustment. Select Actual Size and print. Refer to the taping guide and group each sheet by the second number marked on each page. Cut the bottom edge along the dotted line and place page 1-1 on top of 2-1. Match corners and secure with tape or glue stick. The remaining pages in each group should follow suit. Align the corresponding columns to form the pattern. Now your pattern is ready to be cut. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.